Here is one of our drive-in, drive-out packages with high pressure and Softwash. And if you've been following us for more than 5 minutes, you've probably seen us put a few of them up and you're probably sick of seeing them. But probably haven't seen them set out like this. So yeah, we've put up a video on our pressure cleaner package. Yeah, we've put up a video on our remote compact skid. But we haven't really explained how they're designed to work in together. And that really was the design brief, to make something that is essentially the same base product that you get on one of those drive-in, drive-out packages out there, but we wanted to make it modular. We want to make it easy for the customer to do it in stages, because that's a little bit of a pain point well, not so much a pain point, but a problem I see some contractors trying to overcome. You might have a limited budget. You really do want a good belt-driven, high-flow pressure cleaner, and you really do want a dedicated Softwash, but you don't have the funds to do them both at the same time, but you still want them to be a good system when you do finally get the both together. So that's where we future-proof this. The plumbing on this essentially talks to the plumbing on that. So we've got 2 extra ports there so that your Softwash skid can receive pressurized water or buffer tank water from this skid here, which has 2 extra ports to send either pressurized water from your customer's tap or water from your buffer tank to this system here. And of course, we've got the extra valve in there so that you can fill your your chemical tank without having to undo the lid. It just fills from the bottom, no suds, no fuss. And then of course we've got a remote set up in there so that you can change between applying chemical or rinsing. And again, keeping in the theme of trying to keep things as compact as possible, this will fit across the front of your ute. It's only 1770 wide. I can't remember the width, but together both these systems butted up are only about 1550. So they're definitely going to fit along most dual cabs. Double check your measurements with everything. If you are interested in the system, don't just buy it online, get in contact with us first, because normally we need to quote shipping. We do flat rate shipping along the east coast to your nearest depot, which works out pretty good. But yeah, get in touch if you've got any questions. I'm sure there's a few things I've forgotten, because I am in a little bit of a hurry today. That sucker's got to leave in like, I don't know, an hour or so, so I've got to get it wrapped. Have a good one.